This is a letter A. A is for apple. A is for alligator. A is for ambulance. This is a letter B. B is for baby. B is for butterfly. B is for banana. This is a letter C. C is for car. C is for cat. C is for carrot. This is the letter D. D is for donuts. D is for dolphin. D is for dog. This is the letter E. E is for eggplant. E is for excavator. E is for elephant. This is the letter F. F is for fire. F is for fox. F is for fish. This is the letter G. G is for giraffe. G is for grapes. G is for gorilla. This is the letter H. H is for house. H is for helicopter. H is for hedgehog. This is the letter I. I is for iguana. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. This is the letter J. J is for jellyfish. J is for jam. J is for jeep. This is the letter K. K is for kiwi. K is for keys. K is for kangaroo. This is the letter L. L is for lemon. L is for ladybug. L is for lion. This is the letter M. M is for mushrooms. M is for mango. M is for monkey. This is the letter N. N is for notebook. N is for nest. N is for nurse. This is the letter O. O is for orange. O is for onion. O is for octopus. This is the letter P. P is for pumpkin. P is for pineapple. P is for penguin. This is the letter Q. Q is for queen. Q is for question mark. Q is for quilt. This is the letter R. R is for rabbit. R is for rhino. R is for rainbow. This is the letter S. S is for strawberry. S is for sun. S is for shark. This is the letter T. T is for tiger. T is for tree. T is for tomato. This is the letter U. U is for ukulele. U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. This is the letter V. V is for volcano. V is for volleyball. V is for vulture. This is the letter W. W is for walnut. W is for watermelon. W is for whale. This is the letter X. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone. X is for Xmas tree. This is the letter Y. Y is for yogurt. Y is for yarn. Y is for yo-yo. This is the letter Z. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zoo. Z is for zebra.